Hello again, folks. Today, we're about to introduce you to an incredible tool called UseChannel. UseChannel allows you to get the answers you need about your database without knowing SQL. Connect your database, ask any data question in plain English, and get an answer. It automatically generates beautiful visualizations for your data and picks the right chart type based on your preferences. Channel is designed to be used by anyone, from analysts to product managers. It learns from every question it's ever asked and prompts you to ask the questions that really matter. It integrates easily with Snowflake, BigQuery, AWS Redshift, Databricks, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, and more. It also allows you to keep track of how important terms are defined across your organization with Channel's definitions feature. So, visit usechannel.com today and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things creative. Until next time, keep exploring, creating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.